how to unsuspend Twitter account in 2023. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So your Twitter account will be suspended due to your age restrictions or due to your post against the community violence. So in order to unsuspend it, you can simply open up your browser. Here I am opening up Chrome. After that, tap in the search bar and search for the help.twitter.com appeal. After that, tap on the first link that exists here. After that, you can see here is the appeal or lock or suspended account option. So here you have to first of all log out of your account that is suspended by simply tapping on the logout option over here. After that, you have to explain your problem that you have been suspended and submit it to the Twitter. After 1 to 2 days of submitting the problem, your problem will be fixed. By following this simple step, you can unsuspend Twitter account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.